What if I told you that man without limbs and hands is swimming in the pool? What do you think? Is it possible to swim without limbs and hands? But it is a real example. The Nick Vujicic, the man born in Australia, is doing the same. It's not only the swimming, it's surfing, it's skydiving, and he's doing his own code on in computer on computer. He's a great motivational speaker, as well as he wrote book that is converted into 30 languages internationally. So how did Nick did this? Though he don't have the ability, he don't have the physical abilities to do that. When Nick was small and he started to go to school, his schoolmates and friends teased him, bullied him, and told him that he's not going to become anything, not able to achieve anything, and he always dependent on some other person. But after listening this, Nick becomes very negative about his life, he got disappointed. So he decided to end his life, and he attempted, but he failed. But after that, he decided he's going to focus on what he has and start working. And after working for a few years, he is the level at which the person which having the strong limbs and hands will not reach. He achieved so much in his life. He achieved happiness, healthy, and he is inspiring millions of people around the world. So when his friends bullied him, Nick has two choices. Either he can focus on positive things or what he has, or he can focus on what things he don't have. But did, he focused on what things he has and worked on that. So this is how the positive attitude on the things we have, and if you work on that, will go to next level into on our life. The World Health Organization survey said that there are one person doing suicide for 40 seconds. That is huge. That is around 8 lakhs people doing suicide. But they have to understand that they have unlimited potential to overcome any obstacle in their life. When they were born, they competed with 400 trillion sperms having the same capability, but they won. And now they don't have such competition here, but they feeling that they got beaten and they suicide. Also, as human being, we have the brain which is far more powerful than the supercomputer. If we use it, then we can have 10 to 15 PhD degrees. This is huge, and huge potential lies inside us, but we have to use that. And Krishna said that in Bhagavad Gita, जो होता है वो अच्छे के लिए होता है, जो होगा वो अच्छे के लिए ही होगा. Just try to recall some incidents in your life, and you remember something was happened bad to you, and that is turned into the benefit. So what Krishna is saying, just focus on your karma, that will lead to a good to your things. So stay positive, stay focused on your good qualities, work on them, and you will improve your life. Thank you.